This is the Bagong Pilipinas hymn as part of the government's Bagong Pilipinas branding. Based on the directive from President Bongbong Marcos, the hymn should be included in the flag ceremonies of all government agencies and instrumentalities. They are also required to recite the Panata sa Bagong Pilipinas. It aims to further instill the principles of the new brand of governance and leadership among Filipinos. But this does not sit well with several groups and lawmakers.
Pilit na nire-recycle yung bagong lipunan. Pangalawa, pilit na pinaniniwala ang mamamayang Pilipino na meron niyang bagong Pilipinas samantalang nananatili yung bulok na kaayusan, laganap na kahirapan, corruption at iba pa.
For the Makabayan Bloc, there are other issues that need to be prioritized.
Makikita naman yan sa gawa hindi naman sa mga kanta di ba? Kung gusto niya talaga ng good governance, pakita niya yung branding niya o yung pagre-rebrand ng kanilang pamilya, gawin niya yung opposite na nangyari ng martial law.
The Bagong Pilipinas hymn also received mixed reactions from the public.
Okay naman po, yung kay Bongbong Marcos, Bagong Pilipinas. Kasi parang marami rin na bago ngayon
Mas lalo po mahirapan kasi masakit po sa paa tumayo. Tapos sobrang init pa, di siksikan po kami sa isang gym. Yung iba po hindi pa kabisado yung ibang kinakanta or hymn ng school. Tapos may dadagdag pa po bago.
Bagong Pilipinas po, ibig sabihin lang po nun. Nasa bagong henerasyon na po tayo, kagaya ng Sensi po. So, bali, for me, as estudyante po, makatulong sa akin yun as a motivation and inspiration po.
For News 5, Ria Fernandez, We Are One News.